Hey everyone, and welcome to the $1 million portfolio journey. It is Tuesday, 8th of June 2025. It's around 3:30 here in London, and I'm gonna do my first investment for today. So this is gonna be the only investment actually. So basically what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be investing £500 into Tesla. So I always try to invest into Tesla whenever it goes under 300. Now it could go down to 250, who knows, but I'm just going to keep on accumulating until I hit that 500 units goal. So at the moment I've got 456 units of Tesla, so I'm just going to keep on buying no matter what. So before we do that, let's just do a quick portfolio update. So my general investment account stands at just over 42.5k. My stocks and shares ISA is just over 25k, and my self-invested personal pension is just over 46k. Just recently, about 3 weeks ago, my general investment account was around 52 grand, so it's gone down by 10k. My stocks and shares was around 29k, and my SIPP was just over 50k. So again, it's just hovering around this level for a long time, so hopefully things are going to start to move up, but I'm not too concerned because I just want to accumulate as many units of Tesla, MicroStrategy and Nvidia. So that's my concern. Excuse me. So let's have a look at how the companies are doing. So Tesla today trading around $298. So if it doesn't capture the 29, if it doesn't go above 300, I think the chances of it going to around 270 is much higher. So excuse me. So I'm watching this very carefully, and I'm going to try and accumulate as much as I can under 300. So that's Tesla. Let's have a look at MicroStrategy now. So MicroStrategy trading around $394. It's down 0.31%. So again, it's having a great difficulties hitting that 400 and staying above it. So it's just a matter of just waiting and seeing what happens. So Nvidia again 158.73. Not a lot of movement in the market today, but again, just keep on accumulating no matter what. Excuse me. So let's go into the SIPP account. Let's go into Tesla now, and let's put in a buy order for £500 worth of Tesla. So that's going to give me 2.2493. So let me execute the order and confirm the buy. Okay, so I'm sending the order through. Okay, so it's 2.2483. So I'm just going to remember that 2.2483. And price per share is 299.25. And the FX fee was $1.94, and the rate is 1.34, so it's going down a little bit. So 2.2483. Just gonna update the spreadsheet. So add another 2.2483 shares of Tesla, and let's have a look at how that changes things. So I have 400, just under 459 Tesla shares. My target is 500. I have 94, just over 94 shares in MicroStrategy. My target is 200, and I have just over 34 shares in Nvidia, and my target is 200. I'm 92% of the way there for Tesla. I'm 47% of the way there for MicroStrategy, and 17% of the way there for Nvidia. So making good progress. I'm happy with what I'm doing. Ideally I would like to get to this goal as soon as I can before the price runs away to 1,000 or 2,000, because these stocks can really move up when there's some good news. Any good news for Tesla now will move it up significantly. Any good news for MicroStrategy or Nvidia is just going to move it up crazy amount. So I just want to get my bag done as much as possible. I'm making good progress, but I need to hit those milestones as soon as I can. Excuse me. So for anyone new to this account, this YouTube channel is all about getting to that $1 million as soon as possible. So the goal of this whole project is to reach $1 million as soon as possible. When I do my calculations over all our brokerage accounts, I have between 175 and 180,000 US dollars. So I'm about 5.6x away from hitting that $1 million goal. So that's the goal, to hit $1 million. Now I have four very simple rules, and I'm just going to quickly share them with you. So the first rule is, I'm a long-term investor, so whatever I invest in today, I'm not going to sell it for the next 5 years, and I'm going to try and keep it for at least 10 years. Rule number 2 is I'm a very aggressive investor, so I try to invest £500 every day the stock market is open, and I'm going to try and take that to 1,000 as soon as I can. I've opened several businesses. I'm working flat out. I'm working 7 days a week, 14 hours a day. So anything that I make, I set aside money for taxation and household expenses, and whatever I have remaining, I invest into the stock market. So that's rule number 2. Rule number 3 is I'm a volatility investor, so I invest in highly volatile companies like Tesla, MicroStrategy and Nvidia. So I know that these companies can halve in value over a matter of weeks, or they can go to the moon in a couple of days. So again, I'm not too concerned about this. I'm just looking at the long-term goal. And finally, rule number 4 is I'm a very tax efficient investor. So I always invest in my SIPP, in my ISA, before I go into my general investment account. So that's today's update. So feel free to subscribe to the channel. If you enjoy the content, give it a thumbs up, like it, leave a comment below. I will try to, reply to all the serious comments in the comment section, and hopefully, you will subscribe to the channel. So that's it for today. I'll bring you more updates tomorrow, and I will be investing another £500 into the stock market through my SIP. So have a great evening. Take care. Bye.